If you love DIY projects or creating personalized gifts, then this keychain making kit from Layerslit is exactly what you need. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and if you're like me and you enjoy creating little handmade gifts for friends and family, then you'll love this kit because it has everything you need to start crafting right away. It comes with a huge variety of cute charms, keychain clips, lobster clasps for attachment, jump rings, and extension chains, and a bow head string. And it even comes with all the tools needed and an organized box. I also love how easy it is to mix and match the different charms to make personalized keychains, purse charms, or gifts that feel unique. The metal hardware feels sturdy and durable, and the included tools make assembling everything quick and beginner friendly, which I really appreciate. I also love how creative this kit lets me be. I can sit down for an afternoon, make something personalized, and end up with a thoughtful gift that actually feels special. And that's just my point of view.